In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give a user access in Microsoft Dynamics 365 or the Power Platform, specifically focusing on customer engagement. This is an essential task for any administrator, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage user access efficiently. Let's dive right in. Before getting started, there are a few key things you need to have in place. Firstly, ensure that the user you wish to add has a Microsoft 365 or Entra ID account. Without this, they won't be able to integrate properly with Dynamics 365. Secondly, make sure you have available Dynamics 365 licenses to assign, as each user needs a license to access the platform. Lastly, it's important that you have the necessary permissions, like an administrator or system customizer role, which allows you to manage users and security roles within your system. With these prerequisites out of the way, let's get into the steps. Start by navigating to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center or Azure Active Directory. This is the hub for managing all your active users. Once you're there, go to the Users section and then Active Users. Here's where you'll check if the user already exists in the directory. If they don't, you'll need to create a new user account by filling out all the required fields. Be thorough with the details to ensure there are no hiccups later on in the process. Next, we need to assign the necessary Dynamics 365 license to the user, ensuring they have the right to access specific features of the application. In the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, find the particular user, then move to the Licenses and Apps tab. This section will show you all available licenses. Here, you can toggle on the appropriate Dynamics 365 license, such as Sales or Customer Service, depending on what the user will be working on. With the user account and licensing set, it's time to dive into the Power Platform Admin Center. Once inside, head to the Environments section. You'll need to select the environment that you want this user to access. This could be for development, testing, or production, depending on your current setup. In your chosen environment, head straight to Settings, then Users plus Permissions, and finally, Users. This is where you'll either find the user you've set up or add them if they aren't listed yet. After locating the correct user, click on them and proceed to Manage Security Roles. Assign one or more security roles that suit what the user will need to do. This could determine the entities they can work with and what actions they can perform, like creating, editing, or deleting records. And that's it. You've successfully given a user access in Microsoft Dynamics 365. By following these steps, you ensure that each user has the appropriate rights and permissions, improving the security and efficiency of your organization's operations. Thanks for watching, and happy administering.